Oh mate, so just over the back there, Brick Lane Bagel Shop, and you want to go to Bagel Bake, the one with a white sign. She's held. Screenshot that. Ballast on for a sec. Sometimes you get like little air pockets just where the valve's opening and closing, so just give them a spin a few times. So yeah, I might grab food. Oh mate, so we are going to the spot, man. Right there, Bagel Bake. This is the one. Always busy, 24 hours, all the time. Man, look at that. That is a beast. That's good breakfast. Ah, one of the brothers. 3.3 kilos. Installation's pipe length and meters covered without additional refrigerant charge. 30 meters. So yeah, we're only at 20 odd meters. So that is all good. Oh, let's tidy up the mess. Now on the back. You're definitely coming down, mate. 93. Whoa, she's low. She's low. This is the problem with London work, man. The access is terrible. I mean, that's the size of a vac pump. So you can see how small that window is. It's a bloody nightmare. I'm going to try and make it look... I mean, I know the cover's going to go on and all that, but try and make it sort of look somewhat presentable, I guess. And then a couple of photos for the customer. We can get on to the next one because I've just had a call out come in, so we'll go and do that as well.